let's make one video because I'm gonna close, I'm gonna put everything back, and then I'm gonna show you the car at the end when it's gonna be everything closed. Alright, today it's Tuesday, August 6, 2024. What I have done, I put the engine in, I changed the plastic fitting and the heater core pipe, the one that goes to the engine and the other one that goes to the body. Alright, then I have installed, I put the plug from the body side, also this one routed properly. I put also the vacuum for the brake booster, alright, down from this side. Then I put the terminal here and I torque it down, the positive in place, torque down, cable tight here for the cable, routed properly behind the coolant expansion tank here. And then on the heat shield, classic. Battery in place, but not the negative. Alright, it's been charged, we charge the battery, it's perfect, and this is 45 week of 2023. Alright, here the pyro fuse. Alright, all done in place. And the bracket down, it's nice and clean because it's been washed and it's been supported there. It doesn't move, it doesn't go anywhere. Finish from that. Finish from back over here, like I said. Alright, the AC line, it's been installed. Nice. The fuel line, stand by the fuel line because that's why, because we have to fit here and we have to fit also here. And good luck to be nicely. This is the boost reference. This absolute for the blow valve and for the water methanol. Water methanol, the jets, we haven't made it yet. We're gonna make the jets. From this side I put the coolant expansion tank. I have already plugged the level sensor here down. It's been already plugged in. Alright. Then I put the new pump here without the fitting. And I plug it in. And where I have the old one? That's the old one. Is the old one. And this is the one that had before for the heater core from the body side. Not anymore. Alright. Address the rubber all around. This one here, it's the hinge, it's this one, it's in a rag to be out of my way. And by the way, here okay, we clean this area here, but where is the front sum, we are a little bit we're afraid about the front sum, you know, so we didn't spend too much time here and we don't want to put the water here. From this side and back and front, it's okay, it's fine. Then one mess of the cables, it's not all, it doesn't belong all to the car. All right, yeah, never mind. And this is the extension for the motor for that. All right, that we make the cables. All right, so now it's the time to play with the pipes. I need to put the oil cooler lines and I need to install the coolant lines, not this one. I'm gonna show you. You're gonna see the new lines actually, because there is a difference. It's changing the one for the intercooler to the radiator, the radiator to the intercooler. You're gonna see that later. Now, looks nice, right? Looks nice. Not bad. Not bad. Let's start putting the coolers, like I said, and the pipes. Yep. Lovely. Coming together. Actually, at the end, we're gonna have one small problem. We need to tune the pumps. You know what can I do here? What if I bring this fitting from this side? If I flip, this is symmetrical. You can remove the bolts and put this side. We're gonna see about that. We're gonna see, because now if we crimp a pipe, you're gonna come more high. Might touch on the bonnet. Front are the filters. Good luck with that. Good luck with that. Yeah, leave it there for now. We're gonna see. Yeah, let me put the coolers and see you 1 second for you. All right, let's see, where am I? Where are we now? Let's start from the easy. The heat exchanger from the driver's side. That's the upper, that's the lower. Here the upper radiator hose on the thermostat. Lovely. Alright. On the lower here. Okay. So this one now, this it's for the engine cooling, for the radiator, for the main radiator. This one. And this one here, it's for the intercooler. This for the intercooler together with the one that has in the middle here. Lovely. Lovely. Then also this side, it's been connected. All right. Here it's waiting the middle cooler to come connected. That's the low radiator hose. Here is for here up. All right. These brackets here, what you see, 1, 2, and 3 here. It's corresponding to this here and here. It's the same. Now, all this cooling system, it's exactly the same like the E63 Formatic 2015, E63 Formatic S 2015, the one with the M57 engine I'm talking about. Any of these hoses, if let us say after 10 years you need to order any hose, change any hose, you have to go based, okay, this is the same. You see that I use the old one, all right? It's fine, the o-ring is fine, the hose inside is fine, there is no problem. Some of them, how many? 1 or 2 I use an old one. 1 or 2 I use old one, all the rest are new. But the engine, the tensioners, the cam adjusters, the timing chain, everything except of the sleeves, piece connectors and studs, obviously, all right, a part of this, forget about that. Forget also the idler pulley here, that it's aftermarket. All the rest, and the high pressure pumps, all right, but all the rest what you see, it's the same like the E63 Formatic S, E63S Formatic 2015, exactly the same. I believe that the E63S, it has a brushless pump and not the one with the brushes. There's nothing wrong with that, I'm just saying it's gonna work fine. All right, so the heater core goes in, goes down, and it's connected with that. Lovely, amazing. And like this you upgrade the cooling system. Now you might ask me, okay Tassos, why you didn't put the coolers on, right? Because Omar, he wants to make a fitting on the charge pipe for the methanol. So yeah, we need to have some space, because as soon as if I put the coolers up, you're not gonna have a space at all. You're not gonna be able to remove the inlet, you're not gonna be able to remove, okay, I put also the oil cooler lines, and this is gonna be tricky from there to take it out. Yeah, alright. At least at this point they don't need me, the guys, they can continue. Alright, Mr. Joe, you can continue, right? It's everything ready in front of you. This is for the bleeder, the bleeding pipe up here. One's come here, one's come here. This is an old one actually, but it's fresh. It looks like a new one. So whatever you see here, it's plug and play with the coolers. You just put it, you know, from the coolant expansion tank, the pipe is here. That's feeding, all right? This is for the heat exchanger, this is the low radiator hose, this is the upper radiator hose. Here you have for the air condition, this is the upper one for the air condition. Don't forget the sensor, it comes here, alright. Then you have the oil cooler, it's standing by there, alright. And the transmission cooler down here. You're gonna support this pipe, and this pipe, 3 points, okay? This here, this you have to put a clip with the threads. Yeah, you have to put the clip with the threads either on the side here or here. I don't remember exactly where. I think it comes here. You know what I mean? We have a new one. Let me find it. I'm gonna show you. Yes, lovely. This is supposed to go sideways like that, and it's supposed to come to meet either this or this. You remember that there is one bolt and always we are losing it on the Formatic. from the side. What?
Rear position coming, then put low.
Yes, exactly. We're gonna put it now here, like that, with one bolt, with one E8 or E10, no E10, with one E10 short, so don't be long. We're gonna put there. So when it comes the time, one second, let me put also this one to be okay. Alright, I put also the bolt here. Alright, so when it comes the time, the guys are gonna put it, I think it comes here, if I remember right. It comes at this point. I remember that we're losing this one, that's why. Like that there. It's a pain in the butt to do it. Yeah, fine. Anything else? Nothing more, nothing less. Once again, if they don't give us, I don't know how it's called, the software, the coding, the programming for the high pressure pumps, we're never going to be able to start the engine, by the way. Alright, but this is later on. Next step, need to remove the charge pipes to make a here point for jets, for methanol jets. Alright, then installing it again back, then put the coolers and start building it up from here. Let me make a little bit more down now. Omar, since you are here, come please here. Do you remember when we are opening from the side here one bolt from the coolers? It's supposed to be this one, right? On the Formatic. That
yes,
it comes like that.
Yeah.
That's what I remember.
Yeah.
Alright, the clip and the bolt, I'm leaving it here. You have to, like now, you're gonna mark where to put the nozzles, right? And then we have to take it out, put a sleeve here.
Yeah, I will put the sleeve.
Alright.
I will put the sleeve face to like in turn, not deep, just face like this.
Yeah, to be face, like any other time.
Yeah,
to don't be full inside, to don't be full outside, to don't touch the wall when it's spraying. To be face. To don't bother the flow also, and to be okay. Like any other time. What will gonna be the headache? You're not gonna be, yes, the lines. The lines are gonna be a fucking headache. This, you know why? Because you cannot put 45 degrees here. I mean, this one, it will gonna be able to come like that. This one, it's gonna give us a headache. Except if we put one connector 90 and then 90 again to come here to be, but not to be, yeah, I know, flow. Keep in mind that it has a stock pump back, has a single brushless pump. It will gonna have a fuel starvation from the low pressure pump. It does have the secondary one,
yeah,
the one that's triggering from the boost. So with one way or the other, it will gonna have fuel starvation from the low pressure side.
You know, I have one more question now.
Tell me.
Where I get the boost?
Here, Omar. Here, the boost is ready. Absolute, buddy. It's here, the fitting.
Why am I asking you?
Why? Yeah, the intercooler, it's the old intercooler and does have the fitting front, but there is no problem. Okay, that's also one difference here. The intercooler here, it does have the cap like the newer models, because 2011, 2012. Yeah, but there is nothing wrong. It's exactly the same design. Alright. So, like I said to Mr. Joe, all the pipes are ready, waiting only for the coolers.
First I put the methanol jets over there.
First you put the methanol jets, and then here, yeah.
Then I continue resting on, guys.
If I'm free and I'm not busy, I might do that also as well. Okay. The coolers are supported. They're already plugged in and connected. The same thing also with the pump. The small pump are connected. The level sensor there are connected. The other pipe here that goes inside for the heater core, it's connected. I put the new cap, by the way.
I saw this one.
Yeah, I have. Yeah, the old parts. The old parts goes back to the customer. These are the old lines. This is the. I think I show you the pump. This is for the heater core inside, and this is the old cap here for the coolant expansion tank. All this goes back to the owner. All right. And Omar, we need here the 25 torques. You see, it comes 1, 2 here.
Yeah.
Not a long one.
The black color small
The
one.
black short, exactly, and another one from this side. This corresponding, yes, 1, 2, 3. and this pipe goes behind. That's why it has this space, you know. It comes side by side, and it comes and meets this. All right, everything looks good. So far, so good. But like I said on the video, that even if it was ready from everything, we cannot start it because of the high pressure pumps. Yeah, they have to. I don't know how we're gonna do that. Now we're gonna see. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. The battery you charged, right?
Yes. Now we do the 3 days recharge.
All right, nice. Nice. Don't have any surprise with the battery. I already support it. I already put in place. It's nice. Nice. I changed also this one. I put with this way. It was pointing this way. Yeah, all right. The rubber back in place. Nothing. I'm finalizing the video here. Now, next video we're gonna address everything. And then I'm gonna make a next video to fix also the lines over there. Yeah. That's it. Over and out. Thank you.